Hey, this is what happens when you hook a Ford Ranger to a chipper with a pintle hook. Come on. This is going to be great. Come on. Come on. This way just a little bit. Up. Yeah, we can make this happen. To be continued. Y'all thought I was playing. We ain't hooking this thing up. Hey, there's the proof in the pudding right there. See, you can see the badge on the side of it. Ranger. And you can see this is a big wood chipper. Look at this thing. She's decent size. We're gonna bog her down. All right, we're getting off the ramp. Here we go. The Pintle Hook Ranger. Go ahead, Jesse. Oh yeah, she's eating every bit of that shit. You got it. Go. All right. Come on. Come on, Jesse. A little bit. Yep. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We got this. That ain't happening. That ain't happening. Yeah, see if you can back up a little bit. All right. You got this. Come on. You got this. That's what I'm talking about. The Pintle Hook Ranger. The Pintle Hook Ranger, boys. They said it couldn't be done. Let me just remind you what kind of truck this is. That's a Ranger. That's a Ranger, boys. You just can't kill them. We've tried. Fact and point. You can't kill these damn things.